Hey, Jake with B&H, back with you today to demo the new 3-axis handheld gimbal from DJI, the Ronin-S. We're outside today because it's springtime here in the Big Apple, and that means baseball season. We thought, what better way to test out the new DJI Ronin-S than with a little sports and cinematic videography. But first, oh, say, can...
No, we don't have enough time.
No, we don't have enough time. Okay, yep, no time, understood. Play ball. Newly designed ergonomics make for a much more enjoyable shooting experience. Just moving the roll axis means I can actually see my LCD screen. I can check focus, I can check exposure, and watching playback is now not a problem. Two buttons on the handle itself allow you to save presets depending on how fast you want the Ronin-S to react to your movements. Sport mode is there to make sure you can track the fastest movements possible, like me running the bases. If you double tap the front button, the camera is going to go back to its original position on the Ronin-S. If you hold it down, the camera will stay in the position as you move up and down. Now if you triple tap, this is really special, selfie mode. Surprise, I'm vlogging now. Vlogger approved. And the mode button on the handle itself, you hold that down, whip pan effect. Now there are numerous mounts on the unit itself, so you can mount if you want a small microphone, an LED light, or even a 5-inch LCD monitor if you feel so inclined. So the question we always get asked is, who is this for? Now, when I think about my experience today, I'm thinking videographers who use small mirrorless DSLR cameras. They shoot music videos, they shoot weddings, they can shoot my engagement video. My engagement video. Bobby, get the Ronin-S. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Oh, God. Oh, she's gonna kill me. She's gonna kill me. She's gonna kill me. She's gonna kill me. Hi, I made it.
Hey.
You ready?
Yes.
All right, let's go. That was almost a disaster, but thanks to the new DJI Ronin-S, crisis averted. As I was saying, this is perfect for engagement shoots, wedding videography, music videos, sports, really any situation you want to capture unique dynamic movement. The DJI Ronin-S is going to be an awesome addition to your camera kit. This is Jake with B&H. Just keep shooting, guys.
Here it comes. Oh! You okay, Bobby?
Got it on camera.
You need water?
He's got to breathe. He's got to breathe it out.
Yeah, just breathe. Oh!
Breathe it out.